fresh opportunities to start over, ride on it, and make resolutions to achieve all the dreams you and your family, friends, loved ones once sought. Here's a hearty and big and warm enough to encompass you all. I welcome you all.
Now I would like to welcome our chief guest. Firstly, Mubarak sir, young and energetic principal of Sridevi Degree College. He graduated from Sridevi College, started his career as a lecturer in Sridevi College, and now working as a promising principal of the same college. It's a pleasure to have you here, sir. Welcome.
Next, I would like to welcome Vijay Kumar sir. He is the director of VITA. He is known for his honesty, known for the great work, and the culture of creating next generation achiever. It's a pleasure to have you, sir.
Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Here, Sumama is the reason for success of Vijay Kumar sir. She has supported him very much in taking Vita to greater heights. Welcome, Uma.
Moving on, I would like to welcome our beloved Omkar sir. He's our mentor, very passionate about his work, and he is taking HLT to greater heights. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Now I would like to welcome the most promising, hardworking and talented employee of HSC Software Solutions, Ms. Smita Vijay. Welcome, ma'am.
I would also take the privilege of welcoming all the dear interns to this party. Thank you.
I would like to request Mubarak sir to speak few words.
Morning, respected CEO, HLT Solutions, and the guests, Vita Institute, and the employees of Vita Solutions. First of all, I would like to wish a very happy and prosperous New Year to you all. HLT ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು ನನ್ನ ಚೇಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ, ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್, ಮುಂಚೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇತ್ತು, HLT ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಇತ್ತು ಸರ್, ಈಗ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ತುಂಬ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ CEO. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಶ್ HLT ಕಂಪನಿ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು, ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಚೇಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಅರೌಂಡ್ 37 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಮೆನಿ ಮೋರ್ ಟು ಗೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ಫೋಸಿಸ್, ವಿಪ್ರೋ, TCS ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಆನ್, ಆ ಥರ ಬೆಳೀಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ, ಐ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
Thank you, sir. My pleasure.
ಯಾ.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request Vijay Kumar sir to speak a few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹೊಸ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇಕಾದಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೆಲಸಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಿಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಃಖ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಶುಗರು ಏನು ಬಂತು, BP ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸಾರು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯವರು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತುಂಬ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ HLT ಏನಿದೆಯೋ HCL ಥರ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Thank you very much for your wishes.
Thank you.
I would like to request Smita ma'am to speak few words.
Yes.
So good morning everyone. So good morning sir. So talking about my experience, I was very fortunate enough to get this job and to work as a UI developer here. So this year was very tough, but still we managed to do so many modules, and we also created one more app along with the learner app, that is Borrow, which is launching today. So the year was tough, but for us it was good. So I hope in this year it will be good.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, Smita ma'am. And I would like to request Omkar sir to speak few words.
Okay, so happy New Year, everyone. Thank you for coming here and making this moment very blissful. So yesterday it was a really tough situation actually. So we had a few challenges in getting our Borrow to the Play Store. Actually, I would like, I first have to say hands off to Smita for her commitment, for her hard work. So it was at least like, so Smita till 8:30, 9 o'clock, she actually tried her level best, and then she went home, like supported me from the home. So it was exactly at 12:01. So we were able to make our app successful and then put it in the Play Store. It was a great pleasure. So I like to thank every one of you, like with your names, for all the hard works you put in. So thank you one and all. So I'd like to give you a small suggestion. So whatever the resolutions you have made in this year, don't actually give up those resolutions. So work on those resolutions. So if you give up on your resolutions, what you are telling to your mind is that you are incapable, you are the servant of your whatever hobbies you have, right? For example, you might have put up your resolution to give up some hobby, some bad habit, for example, or cultivate a new habit. For example, you want to start working out from the new year. You see gyms, right? So January 1st it will be full. So after 1 week you see gym will be almost empty. So like the one who gives up on the resolution is the biggest loser according to me. So don't make big resolutions, it can be very small, right? So if you are giving up on your resolution, you are telling to your mind that you are incapable. Are you the one? Just think about it before you do that. So with that note, I would like to thank everyone for joining in here, and then so giving me this opportunity to meet all of you. So have a great and blissful new year to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Omkar sir.
So award is something which is given to encourage and to recognize the best works. So firstly, the best employee award. The contestants are the first contestant has been a backbone of .NET API development for the Learner app, Borrow app, and also handled the release of app in the Siddhganga College. She is Madiha Fatima. And the second contestant is a team lead, handled multiple teams and trained many talented students to succeed in their careers in UI development of Borrow and Learner app. That is our Smita ma'am. So the winner of, any guesses who the winner is? Yeah, exactly. The winner is Smita ma'am. So I would like to request Vijay Kumar sir to present the award.
ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗುಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಮಿತನಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ದಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫೋಕಸ್ಡಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹವರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ತೆಗಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್.
Okay, so the second award is Intern of the Year award. The contestants are, the first contestant is, even though she's having a career gap of 3 years, she has learned .NET development, crucial modeling for the Learner app. So that is Jyoti. And the second contestant has joined as a remote intern. She was punctual completely, and she has shown Spartan spirit worthy from home itself. So that is Kulsum Fatima. And the third one is he's graduated from Sridevi College, Tumkur. He's an intern at HLT Website Development, has been a quality gatekeeper for Learner app, Borrow, and crucial bug fixes, and also done a fantastic work and also has a great communication technical skills and has shown a real Spartan spirit. That is Sudhakar. So, any guesses who the winner is? Yeah, it's right. It's Sudhakar. The best intern award goes to Sudhakar. I would like to request Sir to give the award.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಓಂಕಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಓಂಕಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
Thank you.
So I would like to thank each and one of you for being here, for your time and consideration. Thank you so much.